Hi, my name is Tomasz and you're watching Casual DIY channel. In today's video I will be making an hand sanding block that will utilize the sanding pads that I use for my orbital sander. I also am going to be using some heavy duty velcro to have the ability to change the sanders to different type of grits. So check out the video. Sometimes the electric sander could be a little bit too much for the project you need, for example breaking the edges, or you just need hand attention to the project you're working with. Not too much pressure, gently done. Perfect thing is to have a sanding block. But I've actually got a lot of these 125mm sanding discs and I want to utilize those. So what you're going to need for this project? Well, from last video, if you have seen it, I do have a lot of heavy duty velcro. And obviously the discs are hook and loop, so that will go together just nicely. As the base, I'm going to be using 18mm plywood, and as a handle, I've got a piece of pine that I'm going to cut to the right size. So the first step of this project is to cut the plywood to the shape of the sanding disc, and after that we'll cut this board to the right size to fit my hand. Let's do this. So as you can see, we've got our base sorted, and now it's time to attach the velcro. To attach the velcro, I'm just going to be using this spray adhesive. Beautiful. So simple yet so effective. So as you've seen, a perfect sanding block for any beginner DIY or woodworker, especially if you got quite a lot of sand disc lying about in your workshop. I do, hence this is absolutely perfect for me. And on some occasions, as I mentioned, I've actually do have projects that I need to break the edges slightly, and a power tool will be just too much, and doing it just by hand, it wouldn't be so comfortable as with this simple device. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, drop me that like button down below, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. I also got a really cool playlist about all the projects that I've did for my workshop, including this bench over here. The playlist is just over here. Go and click it, have a look, maybe there's something you would like to see. But for now, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.